Ludwig? Ludwig? Ludwig! It's okay, Ludwig. Here, let me help. How are we going to get him to the fair now? He's making a run for it! Follow that chicken! We'll have to scoop him up! Scoop fast, got it! You've got it, Mojo! Now lift! Well done, Mojo. We scooped ourselves a prize chicken. I knew we could do it. What a team! Righto, all we need to do now is drive this chicken to the country fair. Mojo is go-go! Give it more power! Interesting new fact. Big blue chickens can fly. Come on, let's go and pick him up. Ludwig! Ludwig! Oh, I hope he's okay. This is no place for a big blue chicken. Don't worry, we'll catch him with this. When he tries to eat this chicken feed, he'll get caught safely in the net. It can't fail. Now, where is he? Did you hear that? I'm sure I heard something. He's over there! Where? What's that? A feather? Where did that come from? Bo! It worked! We caught something! Bo? Bo! That gives me an idea. I'm a friendly big blue chicken thing, just like you. Don't scare him. Just do what a big blue chicken would do. I don't know what they do. I've never met one before. Do a chicken dance. He likes it. Try a different one. All right, here goes. Oh, I think you're making him cross. He's chasing us. I can't stay where I'm going. I've got this. No problem. He's still chasing us. Maybe he'll chase us all the way to the country fair. Look out, Ted!
That was a close one. Whoa!
Nothing but the best for those beautiful apples. Mojo is go-go! dinner. Apples are picked, Jackson.
Wow, great job so far.
Thanks. Wait, what do you mean so far?
You didn't see?
Whoa!
Is that a lot of apples? I mean, it seems like a lot to me. But I haven't been a farmer for very long.
This might take a while.
Hang on. What's that noise?
I call him Droney. I've just got him on sale because he didn't come with instructions. I'm sure he can help pick those apples, Jackson.
Oh, that's brilliant, Preston. With that, plus Mojo and Bo, this job will be done in no time.
You ready, Mojo? Let's do this, Bo.
Don't forget Droney.
Oh, look out, Preston. You missed one.
Oh!
Well, Jackson, I guess you don't need help with your apples after all.
Yep, bye.
Yeah, thanks, Mojo and Bo, but I think Droney's got this. See you later.
Bye-bye, Jackson. Bye-bye, Preston.
Felix!
Oh, wait a second, Bo. Something's happening.
How'd you stop it?
Oh, I don't know. He didn't come with instructions. I'll just press this button. Or this, maybe. Or maybe it's this button. See? Nothing to worry about. I don't think it's supposed to do that.
Don't be scared, Felix!
This just became an emergency. We need an emergency top. It's hot swap time!
Oh, we'll soon catch 'em up. Go, Dee Dee.
If a job's worth doing, it's worth doing slow.
We'll never catch them like this. Nice try, sheep, but no flowery feast for you. Oh dear. Uh-oh. Maybe I should have thought about this. No! Sheep, wait! Yeah. Yikes! It looks like Swoppiton in bloom just became a sheepy picnic. I didn't mean to. What's Preston gonna say?
I think this flower festival is going to be a blooming success. Just how I want it.
Those sheep are gonna munch their way through everything. We've got to round them all up before Preston sees. It's time for a hot swap.
Perfect. Every flower just where it should be. Huh? Oh no, a petal out of place. This isn't how I want it.
Right, let's grab those sheep. If we're sneaky, Preston will never know. Mojo is go-go, sneaky style. Oh!
Huh?
Huh? Hey? Very strange.
1 down, 5 to go.
All right, Mojo, take me up.
What was that? Huh? Oh, these tulips look like they've been chewed. Something's very odd around here. Did you flowers hear something? Huh? Bo? Did you just say bar?
Me? No, it must have been the flowers.
Bar is a very funny thing for a flower to say. Huh?
Oh. I'm going in! Woohoo! Oh no! My rotor blades are blowing the leaves away! Look! There's another plant over there! OK, I'll try and be more careful. Slow and careful. It's working! Oops. You've done all you can, Mojo. Looks like it's bow time. It is bow time, bow time, bow time. It is bow time. Bow time.
Ah, Bo, is that you? It's Fabio. How are you doing with my fine leaves?
I'm looking at them right now, Fabio. Don't worry, you'll have your salad in a jiffy.
Fantastico! Hurry straight back. I already have customers here.
Righto, Fabio. OK, I'll have this basket full of leaves in no time. Hey, it's that goat. Hi, goat. Huh? Oh, he must be hungry. Hang on. Save some for us, goat. Whoa! Oh, look at him chew. OK, look, goat. Now, I need those leaves for a very important mission. Hey, goat! Not cool! Hey, what's that? What is it? I don't see any... Oh, I get it. You two are having a leaf competition. Hi, Fabio. Just a sec.
Bo, where are you? And where are my fine leaves?
Don't worry, Fabio. I've got them right here.
Well, hurry. The cafe is full and people want the fine leaf salad.
Oh, is that someone with you?
No. It's just... Gotta go, Fabio. Hey, Mojo! Follow that goat! Mojo is go-go! Keep it steady, Mojo. I'm going for the basket. Got it! Pull me up! Welcome aboard, Mr. Goat. Goat? But if I've got the goat, then who's got the basket? Oops. Well, I think we've all learnt an important lesson today about... Not now, Mojo! Let us down! OK, got ya.
Almighty beings from another world! What brings you to our humble planet?
We were just trying to fix the TV.
TV? Is that your home planet? This planet is called Earth.
Preston, what are you on about?
Quivering quasars! They know my name!
Yeah, hold on. We'll come down and get you.
They're coming for me! Take me!
Come on, Preston!
Take me! Ah!
Oh no, the sheep are out. We'll have to get them back. It's too dark. I can't see them. Don't worry, we can use my spotlight.
What are they doing?
Right then, sheep. Nice catch, Bo.
They've beamed up my sheep.
Quickly, Mojo. We want to catch the rest of them before they get lost in the dark.
And now they're going after the rest of them.
Take me with you! I want to go to space too!
Oh, it's coming to get us! Run!
Here I am!
Well done, Mojo. Oh, there's 3 more over there.
Get off my sheep! Quick! My last sheep!
Take me me to your planet, please!
OK, that's all the sheep. We can drop them off and put the satellite dish back.
Oh, my sheep. My poor, poor sheep.
I can't believe they wouldn't take me with them. I'm head of the astronomy club and the sci-fi club. But instead, those sheep get to go to space.
They're coming back.
Hang on, Mojo. That gate needs closing first. OK, buddy, I'll lower you down.
It stopped.
I think something's happening. It's one of them! They're beaming down to Earth!
Whoa, sheep! What just happened?
Welcome to Earth! An alien!
Awesome!
Give me back my sheep. Charge!
Alien!